Now, cutting to the Hooch tragedy in Tamil Nadu, it's now an all-out war between political parties. The BJP blaming the DMK entirely and calling this tragedy itself a state-sponsored one. Remember, over 50 people have died and the numbers could only rise. They've been admitted to the hospital, several more of them who are in a critical condition. Some of them have recovered. But this spurious liquor in Tamil Nadu, BJP blames MK Stalin-led DMK, calling him itself a kingpin of the liquor tragedy. Sambit Patra calls the deaths murder, accusing the DMK of ignoring Kalakuruchi area as it's a stronghold of the BJP party. He's also questioned the silence of the India bloc leaders on the matters, asking Sonia Gandhi, Rahul and Priyanka to respond on this matter. Meanwhile, the MNM party chief, Kamal Hassan, has met with Hooch tragedy victims at the Kalakuruchi Medical College and the hospital. And you also have the DMK eventually blaming the BJP, saying that the methanol that was procured was coming from BJP-ruled states. So one should question the BJP on how they allowed such dangerous chemicals to be sold from their states.
The house of Govind Raju, the man who is the kingpin of this murder, I would say, clearly shows that on the gates of Mr. Govind Raju and inside the premises of Mr. Govind Raju, there are umpteen numbers of stickers of DMK. So my question to Mr. Stalin, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is, sir, are you complicit or not? Who will answer on your behalf? Will you hold a press conference and answer yourself? Or do we expect a state press conference who can give us the truth? गोविंद राज है जो इसका किंगपिंग है, उसके घर के फोटो को, तस्वीर को मीडिया में दिखाया गया था. उसके घर के बाहर डीएमके के स्टिकर्स लगे हुए हैं और घर के अंदर भी डीएमके के स्टिकर्स लगे हुए हैं. जस्ट इमेजिन द किंगपिन probably belongs to DMK. I am using the word probably because investigations are on. I don't want to declare anything before the investigation pronounces who the culprit is. दशकों से अवैध शराब का व्यापार चलना, प्रशासन को मालूम होना कि वहां अवैध शराब की दुकानें चल रही हैं, उसके बावजूद उस पर कोई कार्यवाही नहीं करना और इसके कारण 50 से अधिक लोगों की मृत्यु हो जाना, ये स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड हत्या नहीं तो और क्या है? तो 50 से अधिक लोगों की हत्या, जिसमें लगभग 40 दलित हैं, लगभग 40 लोग. I don't want to distinguish death in the name of caste. But मैं आज ये सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं, जो लोग कैंडल मार्च करते हैं, जो लोग दलित के अधिकार के लिए लड़ते हैं, वो आज कहां है? क्यों आज इन प्रश्नों पर वो चुप है कि आखिर लगभग 40 दलितों की जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ क्यों किया गया?